don't know about y'all, but who else you know getting on the PJ and PJs, nigga? I don't know about y'all. Who else you know getting on the PJ with PJs, nigga? Oh my goodness. Oh my God.
IG hater trying to take a nigga confidence, knowing I'm gon' pop my shit, knowing I got my glick, knowing I ain't none of these niggas when it pop I click, knowing I get hot and crash, knowing I don't argue with niggas, I get on your ass, knowing I ain't never had shit, still can fuck a bad bitch and don't gotta give her a bag. I caught me a freak, your bitch told me I'm a little freak, he hit my little hoe, I know how that go, my baby a pro, the type that you keep. Go.
Get off me. 29,000 feet, we're looking at about an hour and 40 minutes in rack. You guys have any questions?
Does it come with parachutes?
Boy, if we need parachutes, we've done something really wrong.
Is there Wi-Fi?